What's going on, guys? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. Got a 2016 Victory Cross Country with me today. This one's got a matte gray gunmetal color. Got the 106-inch fuel-injected V-twin, 6-speed overdrive transmission. Bike's in good shape. It does have a few paint chips here and there, mainly on this saddlebag. There's a couple, like 4 of them on that saddlebag on the front side. I love the stock floorboards on the Victories, on the touring ones. They're huge. I really don't see a need for any high weight pegs mounted. You can if you want, but I mean, I can stretch out all the way on those floorboards. Other than that, there's a few little chips on the inner fairing. There's a few right there. This one's got the ram. It's got the ram ball with the X grip for a phone or a GPS. Put on a brand new front tire. Change the engine oil. It is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. It's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it and made sure everything was working correctly, and we gave it a professional detail. Bike runs and rides great. No mechanical issues. Doesn't have a whole lot of miles either. Plenty of storage area. These bags are pretty big inside. I think there was a small paint chip on the back side of that saddlebag. Rear tire was in good shape. It's got a nice stereo system, gear indicator, 8,242 miles. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer financing and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.